In a clear attempt to avoid an embarrassing trial and a stern sentence, the erstwhile CEO of EasyJet, Sonny Ramdeo, has admitted that he's guilty of fraud. He admits to money laundering and that he used several million US dollars without authorization from his former employer to fund this fledgling airline business, which landed in the Ghana market with excitingly low fares at the time. Ramdeo declared in a stipulation presented to a federal court in West Palm Beach today that he did what was stated in a superseding indictment filed in April this year. Ramdeo, who is expected to go on trial this month, October, cut the deal with the feds and is now asking for a reduced sentence. Ramdeo was held late last year in a basement apartment in New York, causing the low-cost carrier to fold, stranding passengers on both sides of the Atlantic. According to the court documents, beginning at least as early as October 2011, transfers of money from the PayServe tax accounts to the EasyJet GT accounts occurred. According to the corporate officers of Ramdeo's former employers, Promise Healthcare, that company did not give approval or know that the payroll tax money and fees were transferred to EasyJet GT for any purpose. A review of another company, PayServe, and EasyJet accounts shows that more than $20 million US dollars, but less than $50 million US dollars of payroll tax and fee money was transferred to EasyJet's account at PNC Bank and to other banks in Ramdeo's name, and later transferred back to PayServe and EasyJet. A further review shows that none of the money transferred to EasyJet was referred to any taxing authority. The EasyJet head initially denied that what he did was any type of fraud. He claimed there was a bona fide defense. The transactions cannot be considered acts constituting wire fraud, Ramdeo said, when in fact such transactions, based on the bank records provided to date, were funds that were actually immediately used for tax payments to various taxing authorities, Ramdeo had earlier claimed. In the court documents filed today, Ramdeo changed course in his story. Ramdeo was snared in the fraud allegations after his short-lived upstart airline went belly up financially in less than a year of operation. EasyJet flew into the Ghana market with extremely low fares, as we said, but lots of questions surrounding its operations. The EasyJet boss could face up to 20 years in prison, but is expected to obtain a substantially reduced sentence because of this plea deal in federal court today. He could be ordered, however, to pay massive fines. From New York, I'm Enrico Wilfred reporting for Capital News.